Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete your CapCut account. By the end of this video, you'll know every step you need to take, what to watch out for along the way, and a few tips to keep things running smoothly. Whether you're ready to move on to a new editing platform, want a fresh start, or just feel it's time to tidy up your online presence, I'll make sure the whole process is simple and understandable. Let's dive right in. First, go ahead and open up the CapCut app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to delete. This is important, so double-check if you use multiple accounts or devices. When the app loads, take a look in the top corner of your screen for the profile icon. Usually it's a little silhouette or your custom avatar. Tap on that. This will bring you to your personal profile page, where you can see your account details and tweak a few preferences. Now, from your profile page, look for the settings option. It should stand out, often marked with a recognizable gear or cog icon. Tap on it to head into the settings menu. I always recommend moving forward patiently, since sometimes app interfaces can change slightly depending on updates. If you don't see the settings right away, check for any three-dot menu or More button, as app designers like to tuck settings there too. Inside the settings menu, search for the section called Account Information. This is where CapCut keeps all the details about your account. Think of it like the control room for your profile. Here, you might spot details like linked emails or phone numbers, privacy controls, and other options. Take a second to make sure you're in the right spot. If you see account information, tap on it. Now, this next part is important. Within account information, you'll find an option to delete account. CapCut puts this here so you can make big changes to your account all in one place. When you see that delete account button, don't worry, nothing will happen just yet. Tap it, and you'll likely see a confirmation prompt. The app wants to be sure you really want to go through with this, since deleting your account means losing access to projects stored online and any data tied to your profile. At this stage, CapCut will ask you to click OK or Confirm. This last confirmation is standard across most apps, just to protect you from accidental taps. Before you click OK, consider if you have any unfinished projects you need to save, or data you want to back up. If you're all clear, go ahead and confirm. Sometimes this part can take a moment as the app processes your request, so don't worry if there's a brief loading screen. And that's it. Your CapCut account is now deleted. The process is really straightforward, but every step matters. If you ever feel unsure, remember that taking things step by step will usually solve any issues that pop up. Maybe you're decluttering your digital life, or maybe you just want to start fresh with a new account. Either way, I hope this tutorial helps you get where you want to go without any hiccups. If this guide made things easier for you, give the video a thumbs up and feel free to drop a comment if you have any questions or ran into anything unexpected. I always love hearing your experiences and helping out. And hey, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and have a great day.